Hello everyone. In the last month or so, I've been doing a really good job getting outdoors with my son, hiking and exploring Colorado, doing that stuff that I've been neglecting. The last month has been great for that. That's why you've seen a bit less content from me. Now, most of you are probably saying, yeah, congrats, that's great. I'm glad you're having that kind of a summer. But the people who I owe pre-made vice jaws might not be quite as happy. So I need to get moving on that too. In the video popping up on the top right, I went through my process of flattening boards without a joiner. And that's worked for me so far, but with as many boards as I need to make all these jaws, I can't be dealing with that nonsense. So I need to set up my CNC to do the first step of the flattening. And that's actually where the first 14-inch pre-made jaw is going to go. And once again, a shout out to my excellent sponsor, Flexispot, who hooked me up with their E7 350-pound weight capacity 2-motor standing desk for my outfeed table. This is of course not the typical use case, but if it's strong enough for a 2-inch thick hard maple top and hand planing, it will definitely make a solid desk for you. Flexispot has a sale running very soon if you're watching this video right after it came out, so head to the description to check out those details if you think this is something you need. So the CNC can mill a flat face that I can use on the planer to get a board that's free from cupping and twisting. That definitely won't happen if you go right to the planer. Then I can use those flattened boards to make the CNC'd pre-made vice jaws. These have already started shipping. Within a week I should be caught up on everyone who's purchased them so far. I've also promised to make available these pre-made jaws for people who previously bought vices but haven't gotten around to installing them. That is up on the website. You have to wait a little bit longer. Obviously, I need to get through the folks that already purchased them with vices, but you can get your order in. If that's something that you need to complete that build, get your vice to work. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.